How to clear search history on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history within the TikTok app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first way to clear your search history is to simply, from the app here, select the search icon, and then you'll see a brief history of your searches on TikTok. We can delete these by simply selecting the X next to them. And as you can see, it'll show me the next most recent after I've deleted that. Now, if we want to delete our full TikTok history, or we want to be able to see our history and then delete from there, what we need to do is go back and then select Profile in the bottom menu. And once on your TikTok profile, select the three lines in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down and just select Activity Center. And then in Activity Center, all you need to do is select Search History. This will then show you a full history of your TikTok search history. And if you want to delete anything, just select in the top right, choose the items you want to delete. You can also delete your entire search history by selecting Select All Search History. That's what I'm going to do. And it will select your entire search history and then select Delete All. From there, just confirm you want to delete your search history. And then once you see no search history yet, that means you've deleted and cleared your entire search history on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.